Oh. Okay. Hey guys, quick intro here. I just wanted to let you guys know that we did end up moving after the footage that you're about to see. We ended up going to a transitional home, which is somewhere that we're going to be renting out for the next 6 months while our house is getting built, being that we are in a different state. So my husband had to start a new job, and obviously that's the main reason why we moved ahead of time. So right now I am in my place. I will give you guys a little bit of info about this place. Not too thrilled about it. It is a lot smaller than what we're used to, but we're making it work. We have 5 more months until we move. It is now the beginning of August. Oh my god, time needs to fly, even though it already is. But yeah, we've been here all month of July. So keep in mind that all this started back in April when we decided to make the move for you know, just more opportunities regarding job, careers, and my business. We needed a bigger place, so here we are. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and there's going to be so much more that I'm going to be sharing, so stay tuned if you guys like house to home videos and home decor hauls and tours and things like that. Go ahead and subscribe. All right, see you soon. Good morning, July 1st here, and we got in yesterday, and believe you me when I tell you, we were dead and it was awful. We came in. This is just a living room. I want to just capture before we start bringing things in. As you can see, little Allison right there. We've started bringing stuff in. This place is really small, so we're going to be kind of cramped. I'm not gonna lie, I was very disappointed when we came in because it was not clean in here, and we spent so much time yesterday cleaning. This right here, oh my goodness, this was so dirty. We literally had to unscrew it off the wall. It had grimy, just things all over, a lot of dust, a lot of residue. It was so disgusting. I don't know what happened here, but these are the blinds. They were also very dusty, and I bought a candle yesterday. I bought some cleaning stuff like bleach, so we have some of our stuff here already. Yeah. This is the front door over there. I will give a little tour. Oh, let me show you the kitchen. This is the dining room, by the way. The pillars are really cute. It's about one of the only things that stand out in this place. I don't mean to sound ungrateful, it's been awful, guys. The sacrifice is real. This is the kitchen. We're just trying to put things where they belong and organize and clean. So I will catch you up to date in a few. Bye. Just a little unofficial mini tour of what the home is looking like. It's still a little, you know, not everything is perfect, but we're trying the best we can to make it feel comfortable. And yeah, this is the dining area. And this area had a little nook right here, so we decided to put the computer there, just so that it can have its own little designated area. So this is the living room area, and try to make it feel as cozy as possible. I'm gonna put an expensive curtain rod there just to put up some curtain panels, just to make it feel a little bit more homey because it looks unfinished. But this is what the living room is looking like. There's a little bit of disorganization, toys and slippers and stuff like that laying around, but it's not that bad. Definitely not home, but I'm trying the best we can, guys. I had such a hard time when we first walked in here because of the smell in here. Apparently the previous tenants were chronic smokers and they had pets, so the combination of both was just horrible, and it was hard to breathe, to say the least. We are, most of us, actually all of us, are allergic to pet dander, and we just had such a hard time. The place reeked of cigarette smoke, and none of us are smokers, so that really had me nauseous the entire first week. So anyway, this is what it's looking like right now. There's no light in this living area, so I just have a lamp there. That was a lamp I bought for the new home, and I'm just using everything I had in the other house, in our other home, because I plan not to reuse these rugs. Well, maybe this one I'll keep because I love this rug, but it's very dirty. It has taken a lot of abuse. I was running 2 air purifiers. I mean, today's the 12th, so since we walked in here, guys, that really didn't do much. The owner did get the air ducts cleaned by Stanley Steamers, so they did come in and clean out the air ducts. It did make a world of a difference. I have a box of baking soda there just to absorb, you know, residual smells. This back here, this was dead space, so we decided to put our printer here, and we have a, what do you call that? The thing that goes with the speaker for the TV, and we have our router and modem here. Obviously, it's not ideal. It's an eyesore, but we have it tucked away there. Hopefully, you can't see too much, but we did put a painting up that I got from Ross. This was meant to be for the new home also, and I just decided to put it up just to help us feel better in this house. This is, of course, our dining table. These are a few items that were recently purchased. I have some greenery here. This mirror I had in our master bath in our other home, and I just decided to put it here. You know, mirrors help make the space feel lighter and bigger, airier. Okay, I can't say that word. Anyway, we have Allison's cubicle right here standing up just for, you know, some toys, some paperwork, some things that we need to keep on hand. This little cubicle I just have for extra groceries and just things, because this is the only cabinet space we have. That's it. So that's really annoying. We don't have enough cabinet space for groceries or for food. There's no pantry. We don't have enough cabinet space for all our pots and pans, and not even for glasses and dishes and cups and stuff like that. So that's what it's looking like. We're trying to make it work here. And yeah, we have our air fryer there, some disorganization here. We bought an water purifier because the water here, it's different. It definitely smells chlorinated, so that's kind of different. Look, this is how desperate. I even have a car freshener here because it smelled that bad. We have our Dyson right here for easy access. Our garbage here. But let me show you guys. This is the way to upstairs. There's a little hallway here that leads to the living room. That's the back door. And I have a few things that I need to put away here still. I have a rug here. This is the front door. And then this is like a little coat closet. And we have a huge box in there with a whole bunch of pots and pans and things for baking that we need. Look at this. We even have a a little dry erase board there for notes, for dinner ideas, etc. But yeah, this is what the downstairs looks like. But it's not bad, guys. This is a townhouse. This is a transitional place to stay at for us while our house gets built. So I'm grateful, despite the fact that I had a horrendous time. The first week here, my stomach was turned upside down. I was nauseous. So I will catch you guys up in a few. All right, bye. Hello, today is July 16th. It's a Saturday and we are passing through our circle here to see the update on our foundation. The last time we were here was actually a week ago, last Sunday, and they had broke ground. I think you passed it.
Right here.
Oh, is that it? Okay. Whoa. So let me show you guys the mess of construction that they have here. We just pulled up to our lot, and this is how the block is looking. It's looking awful. There's so many houses that's being constructed, but this is our lot right here. Oh wow.